Alright, I get a new background on my new hobby computer. Let's open it. Just see, Kuma, and here comes Dover, and last but not, here it comes. You can see it so good, but it says Otis. So I really like this background, but now we go in reverse, turn down the brightness, Dover, and here it comes. What the? What? Oh well. That's me. Alright, password. So, but if you see here, so it's on Windows 8, but if I touch here on the Windows, do you see? It goes to Windows 7. That was my new background. Turn it off and then on again. So that's it.